Welcome to Tips in a Minute, a series of quick tutorials that covers the basics of navigating the NIH Library's resources. This tutorial will cover what bibliometrics are and how to access our services. Bibliometrics are publication analyses that librarians can generate for intramural NIH staff. Librarians use analytics to understand and evaluate publications produced by intramural NIH scientists and ICs. To learn more, head to the library's website at nihlibrary.nih.gov. Go to Services and click on Bibliometrics. This page describes what we do and our service policy. On the left side menu, you will find basic information regarding bibliometrics, such as our work, where you can see sample bibliometric reports created by library staff. When you click on Learn More about bibliometrics, you will see a variety of free training resources for you to explore. To contact the Bibliometrics team, go to Request a Consultation on the left side menu and complete the form.
This content was created by the NIH Library. Thank you for watching.